How to do airplane mode in Monopoly Go. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to teach you how you can easily fix the airplane mode glitch in Monopoly Go. So in order to fix this issue, the best method that I can provide you is to use a VPN, because whenever you start using a VPN you are going to get 6 to 7 roles absolutely for free, and you can try to do the same thing, meaning that you can try to connect with the different countries in VPN and you can get rid of this glitch. So in order to fix this issue, you first need to open your Google Play Store or your App Store, and here in the search bar you simply need to search for Proton VPN. This is the VPN that I'm currently using in my account, so I would recommend you to do the same. So you just have to search for Proton VPN and then you need to just install this application in your device. Afterwards, tap on the open button in order to open it, and here you will be able to see the connect button. So you just have to tap on the connect button and then it will show you that they have successfully connected yourself to the fastest network possible. If you think that the network that this application provided you is not that fast, then what you can do is you can tap on the change network option, and then it will take some time to change your country or to change your server. Now once this step is done, you need to launch your Monopoly Go application, but before that you just have to swipe down and you just have to turn the airplane mode on. Then you just have to try to launch your Monopoly Go application, and once you tap on the go button you will be able to notice that now you have successfully fixed the airplane mode glitch. Now once this step is done and once you have completed your 6 to 7 free roles that you got from using the VPN, what you need to do is you need to simply long press on the Monopoly Go app and then tap on the app info section. Here go to the storage section and then tap on the clear data option in the bottom, then tap on clear cache and press OK. So what this will do is it will clear your cache of the Monopoly Go application. Now you just have to open the Proton VPN, and then you just have to simply change your server and you need to simply change your country as well. Now once this step is done, you just have to relaunch your Monopoly Go application. You just have to again turn on the airplane mode, and you will notice that now you have fixed this issue. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.